Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with music and sound effects. That's right, this is an ongoing series that we're going to have fun creating music and sound effects from everyday items. So hang tight and come on back for some fun. No, I am not trying a new fashion statement with these coconut brassiers here. I just wanted to show you that that's what these are. This is something you could wear like guys would be funny and doing this, you know, doing a comedy bit because they're wearing these. But these are the comedy coconut bras that you can find at the different joke shops and this and that. But I'm going to actually do something. In fact, I'm going to be nice and make it so that I can probably use these again if I really wanted to. If you have a pair of these comedy joke brassiers, well, I'll tell you what. You know what? I'm not even going to worry about the cords because I'm never going to use it as this again. And if I can do, I can always buy some more rope. But what you're going to do is you're going to use these as a sound effect. That's right. These are perfect because these are coconut shells and they are going to sound just like what we used when we made the plunger handle deals there. You ready for it? That's right. If you are into movie sound effects, or you're a Monty Python fan, you know what it is. That's right, it's the horse hooves. Sounds better when I do it that way. Look at that! Horse hooves with two coconut shells from a joke novelty brassiere. Look at that. I probably cut up a really fancy artifact, but I don't care because it sounds great. Just like that, we made a sound effect using coconut shells. Well, I'll tell you what, guys and gals, thanks for coming along. This has been another episode of how to create music and sound effects with everyday items using coconut shells to make the sound of horses. Thanks again for coming along. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.